Hey guys, hope you all have been well. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing another quick tutorial where I show you how I got this very simple makeup look. You're gonna look at the eyeshadow part of this tutorial and be like, what? Why so fast? Because it's that easy. So this is the makeup look that we're going to be doing in this tutorial, and if you're interested in how I got this look done, then I hope you decide to stay tuned. Alright guys, that concludes today's tutorial for this very quick bronze, almost festive for the season type of look, and I really do hope that you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it and would like to be updated with future videos, I hope you decide to click on the red subscribe button down below. I would really appreciate it. You guys know the drill. Full list of products in the description down below. You can also find a full list of products of all my makeup looks on Instagram, and that will be the first link in the description box down below. Till the next video, I hope you all are doing well, taking great care of yourselves. I will see you all next time. Bye guys. I had lunch already and I forgot to check if I do I have anything in my teeth. It is thumbnail time. That's how you do the vibrato, you know, the runs. You just nod your head like this. That's how my dad does it. Sorry, Dad. Oh my gosh, my camera's gonna die because my battery's gone. And I didn't even take my thumbnails.